Hi, it's Greg Payne here at Vanguard Motor Sales, standing in for Tom. He's out chasing more dreams for your driveways. So we're standing in front of a beautiful 1966 Malibu. Boy, is this thing gorgeous. It's got big block under the hood. We'll show you that a little bit later. So come on up, Marbury, let's take a look. Alright, we're looking at this beautiful blue Malibu, just gorgeous. Take a look at all the body gaps. All the body gaps are super straight. This thing is just as straight as can be. The paint job is just awesome. She's got a big block in her. We've already looked at her back at the shop underneath, and you'll see that video a little bit later. The underneath side of this thing is just as gorgeous as the top. Sitting on some really nice BF Goodrich TA radials. They look brand new. Those dog dishes with the blue wheels, awesome looking. Just drove this car over and I turned so many heads. I saw one guy just about run off the road. Just gorgeous car. Look at the way this door opens and shuts. Just gorgeous. See all the lines. No rust in there at all. Just gorgeous paint job. That door shuts great. All the body lines on the trunk are just as gorgeous as the doors. Take a look inside the trunk. We'll use the other key. Look at that trunk. Couldn't find anywhere on this car that anything had been replaced. Looks to me like it's original metal. Got the spare tire, the lug wrench. Got a jack in there for you. Hopefully you never need that. Looking down the passenger side, look how straight that paint is. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Twitter. If you guys have any questions about this car whatsoever, just give Tom a call at area code 248-974-9513. Take a look at the gorgeous interior. Those door panels look like it's 1966 again. It's got bucket seats in it. Those seats are just gorgeous. There's not a thing wrong with one of them. We've got a set of 3 gauges under the dash. All 3 of those work. The tack works. The windshield wipers work. We've got the short throw Hurst shifter in there.
Hi, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales, and we're underneath a 1966 Malibu, and boy is this thing gorgeous. As you can see out back here, we've got a 12 bolt, and it does have a posi in it, and I just counted it. Looks like it's probably a 411. We've got Flowmaster exhaust system. It looks fairly new, all aluminized pipe. She looks like she's in really good shape. If you take a look at these frame rails and the floorboards, we're gorgeous under here. Can't find a thing wrong. I don't see a spot of rust on these floorboards anywhere. As you can see up here in these welds, It's all perfectly clean. This car was never hurt. Look at these frame rails. They're not bent up, they're not rusty, they're gorgeous. We've got a short throw shifter here. We've got a Muncie transmission with a Lakewood bell housing. We've got coated headers. I just looked up the casting numbers on this block, and I believe it was 73 to 84, big block 454. I just drove this car around the block, and boy does it drive great. All the bushings and everything in the upper A-frames and lower A-frames seem to be in good working order. Don't see any cracking or anything falling apart here. This car looks to be unrestored underneath. Maybe somebody hit it with a coat of black paint at one time, but just gorgeous under here. Looking at the wheel wells, I don't see any repairs. I don't see any rust. This is just one awesome car. Here at Vanguard, we don't believe in covering up anything. We try real hard to take a picture of everything we can here. If there's anything you see that you think we missed, feel free to give us a call at 248-974-9513. All right, under the hood here, I know you guys are seeing that 396 on the air cleaner, but when I looked up the block numbers, this is a 454 block. I'm not really sure what crank's in it. She runs strong. Looks like I got a Performer RPM intake on there. We do have power brakes, but they were all drum brakes, front and rear drums. This car was originally set up with air conditioning. As you can see, the air conditioner box is all still there. So it looks like it'd be really easy to put air back in this car. Looks like that may be it's a billet distributor. I don't see it says MSD on it anywhere. But it is a billet aluminum distributor. There is an MSD blaster coil there. Got a chrome alternator. She does have power steering. Just gorgeous under the hood. These inner fenders look brand new. Firewall looks awesome. Just an overall solid car.